Today's class we shall learn how to write the structure of glucose first. Be perfect with that and then start with elucidation of structure of glucose. What do you mean by elucidation of structure of glucose? Elucidate means to arrive at. To arrive at what? To arrive at the structure of glucose. It is nothing but elucidation. Understood? So what is elucidation? Elucidation is to arrive at the structure of glucose. So if you want to arrive at the structure of glucose, one should know its molecular formula. So molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Now how did you get the molecular formula of glucose as C6H12O6? You have studied it in your first PUC or class 11, right? So we'll slightly do a revision here. So how did you get this formula? This is molecular formula. What is molecular formula? It will tell you the exact number of atoms present in a molecule. So how many carbon atoms are there? There are 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms. So this is molecular formula of glucose. How did you arrive at this? Initially you did qualitative analysis followed by quantitative analysis. What is qualitative analysis? You determined whether carbon is there or not by Lebig's method, right? Presence of hydrogen, presence of oxygen, nitrogen, halogens by various methods. Once in qualitative test you came to know that carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is present, you went for quantitative analysis. In quantitative analysis, you are going to find out how much quantity of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is present. In qualitative, you just identify whether carbon is present or not. You just confirm it. Once it is confirmed, you will go for how much of it is present. Carbon ide andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು quantitative analysis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ. Once you know how much of quantity of carbon is present, then you will go for percentage calculation, right? You had a problem of 3 marks here. Percentage of carbon is so much, hydrogen is so much, oxygen is so much. Determine its empirical formula and molecular formula was the question. So after doing quantitative analysis, you will be doing percentage calculation. With that information, you are able to determine the empirical formula. What is empirical formula? It will give you the simplest ratio of elements present in a compound. For example, molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. What is simplest ratio of C6H12O6? It is 1:2:1. So empirical formula of glucose is C1H2O1, right? So once you know the empirical formula, you can determine molecular formula. And now we are directly taking up molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. All this you have studied where? In your first PUC or class 11. Okay. Now we shall first learn the structure. Okay. We are going in ulta direction. First learn the structure. Be perfect with it. And then we will try to arrive at the structure using molecular formula. So how to write open chain structure of glucose? Chain structure. So first we will draw a ladder. Okay. Having 4 rungs. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each of these points here are nothing but the number of carbon atoms. So this is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 6th carbon atom, you write it as CH2OH and the first carbon atom will be CHO. So here I have highlighted the carbon atoms. At these 4 points I am not going to highlight the carbon atoms. Okay, so first what you are going to write? You draw a ladder having how many rungs? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first here on the first carbon atom write CHO, and on the last you write CH2OH. So these are our other 4 carbon atoms. Now remember one prayer. Okay. So starting from here, prayer is OH, OH, H, OH. You need to by heart this. What is the prayer? OH, OH, H, OH. So I shall write prayer here. OH, OH, right, H, OH. So this is the prayer. Don't forget it. Now, if OH is there on the right hand side, you have to write H on the other side. So OH is here. What should I write? Here, H. Now if H is here, you have to write OH on the other side. Now OH is here. What you have to write? H. Done? So we shall repeat once again. What is the prayer? OH, OH, H, OH. Fine. If OH is here, what I have to write? Mechanically you write it. H. OH is here. So H. H is here. So write OH. OH is here. Write H. This structure is called as Fischer projection formula or open chain structure of glucose. It will be 100% asked for 2 marks. So before you further go ahead, you practice at least 10 times. You have practiced open chain structure of glucose, that is Fischer projection formula. Now I will show you how to write Haworth structure or closed structure of glucose. For that, you need to write a hexagon. So I am going to write a hexagon here. Hexagon has 6 sides. So this side I am going to make it incomplete and insert a locket here. And our locket is oxygen. And I shall write the rungs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where should I write the 6th carbon atom? So this becomes the 6th carbon atom. Write CH2OH. Fine. And what is the prayer I had told you? OH, OH, H, OH. So I have written the prayer and I have told you what alternatively you have to write. So OH is here, write H. OH is here, write H inside H, OH, OH, H. So I have OH here, write H. So prayer should be written outside the molecule. Done. So this is called as alpha glucose. So there are 2 forms of closed structure, that is Haworth structure. One is alpha glucose and the other is beta glucose. So again, what should I write? It is very much similar to alpha glucose, except you have to write this in reverse order. You have to flip it. So again I shall write, I will teach you how to write beta glucose. So I have written an hexagon and I am going to insert oxygen as a locket here. Write the rungs. 6th carbon atom will be CH2OH. All these points are nothing but what? Carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th carbon atom. So what was the prayer I said? Write OH, OH, H, OH. Where will you write the prayer? Outside the ring. So you have written. So H, OH is here, write H. OH is here, write H inside. H, OH, good. OH, write H. OH is here, write H. Both are similar. What did I say? You have to flip this one. So I am going to flip it and show OH goes up and H comes below. So this is beta glucose. So where in which carbon you are doing it? On carbon number 1. And this carbon number 1 is called as anomeric carbon atom, and it helps to identify whether the molecule is alpha or beta. So the first carbon atom is called anomeric carbon atom. So where will this structure be asked? On question number 36 PU board, and 100% it will be asked. So practice it at least 10 times.